Hi, this is Amir with the Crypto Rises for Saturday, the 2nd of March here at Zach's Traders Cafe. Starting off with Akita, which is in this beautiful rising trend channel in place since back in September. Top of the channel heading for 040. We're around 026 at the moment, just breaking that old resistance there from the beginning of December around current levels. End of day close above 026 should be enough to give us 040 by the end of this month, or hopefully by the end of next week. Moving along to a rather more famous crypto, one which is quite classic, I suppose, especially in terms of the latest price action you're seeing there, rising trend channel there from back at the beginning of July, and the consolidation mostly since then between, let's say, $200 and $300, but the big breakout almost without warning, apart from that little bull flag above old resistance between what was around 295 to 320. The breakout there looks as though it'll take this market as high as $580 by the end of this month, or even sooner, which obviously would be quite a coup for the bulls. Moving along to a crypto which has got one of the strangest names around, and just go for Harry Potter as the name here. I think probably here we've got this. We've got Harry hitting the top of that broadening triangle there around the 13 cents level. Above 13, we're looking for 18 by the end of this month, while we stay above the recent support area around the 7.5 to 8 cents area. Ideally, we stay on the right side of 10 cents ahead of the move to 18 cents by the end of this month. Another exciting looking chart coming up next with Bonson, and here you can see sort of a Bitcoin Cash type revival there, beautiful U-shaped turnaround. The break above the 50-day moving average around 22 cents earlier, well, basically the beginning of February was the trigger point, I think, and then obviously breaking the old resistance from back at the early part of December. At the beginning of this month is a key there. Looking for up to 52 cents at the top of the rising trend channel there from back in October. Hopefully over the next week or two, or even sooner. Upside clearly valid though while we're above the 30 cents area. Moving along to another mover and shaker at the moment, and here you can see that we've got a market that hopefully will carry on. Literally, we've got Carrieverse here. Here we've got the rising trend channel there from middle of September. Another vertical move there this week, and breaking through the key 11 cents area, which was resistance on the way down, and obviously resistance back in November. Top of the channel there heading for 25 cents, which we're looking for over the next week or two, especially while we remain above basically the right side of the 12 cents area. That should probably do it, given that that was also resistance on the way down earlier last year. Next contender is coming up, and takes the form of Doge killer, and it looks like it might be a bit of a Doge killer at the moment. We've got a rising trend channel there again from September, top of the channel there up to $473. So that area, basically the resistance on the way down back in August, is where we're looking for this to hit by the end of this month, especially while we remain above previous resistance at the end of last year around the $380 mark. So above 380, looking for 470 plus on Doge killer. One of the best movers of the recent past has been the following crypto, and here you'll see why. We've got Dogwifhat, and here we hit our initial target there around 69 cents. The next target was around $1.10, and the final target, or at least for the near term, is going to be the upper parallel of the black line there, as high as $1.70 by the end of March. Upside certainly valid while we're on the right side of the $1 area, and ideally we stay above $1.10. On to the big move of the day, which is Floki, and you can see that really has given quite a boost to itself over the last couple of sessions. Here you can see there's a wide rising trend channel. It's the only way of really navigating the move that we've got at the moment. Wide rising trend channel there from the early part of last year. Top of the channel there heading for the 020 level, while we're around 011. So basically, as long as we're on the right side of the 10 level, let's call it, looking for 20 there over the next week or two, maybe even sooner the way things are going. Interesting setup at the following crypto, and that comes in the form of Holo or Holo. Here you can see that we had the big breakout earlier in the week through the 0.2, well, basically through the 2 3/4 cent level. Above that, we're looking for the top of that rising trend channel as high as 5.5 cents, and that's hopefully by the end of this month or even sooner than that. But the key here, obviously, holding above the 3 cents level. Next contender is requested crypto, which is always good to have. Here you can see that Hedera is doing well at the moment within a bull flag above old resistance. That's the key there. So above 10 cents, looking for this market to make further decent progress. Just how much progress it's going to make is going to be shown by the line I'm drawing at the moment. So heading towards the 15 cents level, while we're above 10 cents would probably be the map, the road map for March at the moment. Nice breakout there, and then holding above the old resistance from the beginning of the year. Another contender to look out for in the near term is Neopin, and here, beautiful W-shaped reversal there, breaking that old resistance at 70 cents, and that leaves us looking for the top of that rising trend channel from back in May, as high as $1.16. Hopefully by the end of this month. Be quite a coup, obviously, we get there by the end of this month, but that W-shaped formation really quite impressive at the moment. On to another situation, maybe not quite so impressive, but we can only hope to see what it'll do in the future. Here we've got QRDO, and here we've broken through the 50-day moving average around let's call it the 3 3/4 cents area. Above that, we're looking for up to 8.5 cents, which is the top of that rising trend channel from back in October, and we're looking for that maybe as soon as the end of this month. But the key is obviously holding above that 50-day line, just above that 3.5 cents position. Next up is Pepe, and here quite a frequent flyer in terms of the crypto space, and obviously you can see why it's quite a frequent flyer, because it is literally flying at the moment. We've hit the top of that channel there around the 0.42 level, and we're looking for the next leg up, maybe as high as 0.80 by the end of this month. The line there running around 0.74 at the moment, but still got the possibility of nearly doubling by the end of this month, especially while we hold above the initial resistance around the 0.35 level, so 35 level versus 42 at the moment. Finishing off with hopefully with a bang, and it comes in the form of this chart, which is looking very exciting at the moment. Vanry chain, and here you can see rising trend channel, top of the channel there up to the 17 cents level, hopefully over the next week or so. Big picture target maybe by, the big picture at this stage is at the end of the month, up to 25 cents, and the upside on track while we're on the right side of 10 cents. I think that should be a fair money management type of situation. That's it for me today. More updates during the week.